How's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a cartoon Chewbacca, a cute cartoon Chewbacca. So let's get going. We're going to go in here. And we're going to have little squiggly kind of spiky lines for the top, it's going to be the fur. If you're watching this and just follow along. If you need anything, you can pause and rewind, do whatever you need to learn it, but you can be totally new at this and learn this. I'm totally new at art and learn this. So and you're gonna be left like a shape like this. Almost looks like a little ghost shape. Honestly, it's funny. Then I'm gonna pull down right here. Very simple shape. Just pull from almost like kind of. And we're gonna connect it with a black line. Much it. That's a cartoon Chewbacca. Hopefully that was easy enough to follow along. If it wasn't, rewatch it. Make sure to give me a like if you can, and if you want a printed out version of things to do to make anything cute, to get your favorite character and make them cute on your own, or if you want to do that, the easiest way is to get my free ebook, totally free. I have it in the description below. Check that out. It's very easy. Just sign up and then you'll get that for free completely. So I will talk to you guys soon, and hopefully say hi to me in the comments. I love talking to everybody. I respond to every single comment, guys. All right, I'll talk to you later.